Jones Arezi ama Alexander Manu so di input aban Eugene. We can't overlook it, Eugene. The only thing to me overlooking is there. Obi bebusa say when Reginald Collins Amoah. Reginald Collins Amoah. We bebusa say who is this referee? Eye Dientina has a folk esusu say he can't be the middleman based on matches be awedi and has a folk airbo now so has a folk entimi anya results or mo pe. Eugene, you have a bray in Pempi. Ayana, your campaign say big games. Uko the English Premier League, uko the La Liga, uko the Bundesliga. The big games, you know, Eugene, omo de ma big and high standard referees. Enti me ametias is here, you know. Irrespective of issue, has a folk erezi. Even though say Oma raising a legitimate point, I think Reginald Collins Amoah currently he is the up to standard referee. Ewo yemaimuha Eugene.
Sir.
Yes, I can prove to you say he is a referee. Competition which is the CAF Confederation Cup preliminary stage. Eugene, he was appointed by CAF to have officiated a game. The game involved Tunisian side a friend start the Tunis and Mauritania outfit a from ASC SNM. Omo game now omo boy no at the opening stage of the CAF Confederation stage, you know, Eugene. Referee Reginald Collins Amoah and the middleman. Into which they say he is a referee. He is giving good account for himself locally and continentally. Eugene, I support the idea, sir, the Ghana Football Association ama Reginald Collins Amoah the opportunity to officiate, because the last time CAF organized a CAF Young Talent Referee course, Reginald Collins Amoah and the good name ewo Ghana a name on it Theophilus Akugri. And to be kaya the interviewer ene Chairman Alex Eyeno, he made mention of Theophilus Akugri. Theophilus Akugri is part of the officiating officials for the Super Clash. Enti uhwe dienti omoye these two appointments now. The FA omofa game no at a high esteem. And intina the top referees are in recent times omutimi performing no omutimi bo omohomoden emo the appointment to officiate in such games. Enti Reginald Collins Amoah, he is not a person you can easily say Asemna has to folk for Kano. It's Asemwa. He shouldn't be the man to officiate the game. He is the referee, Eugene. Modern day referee. He is up there. I was talking about CAF Young Talent Referee course. Eugene, your organization Ewo Abidjan in March. Eugene, the decision on us the aim of this course, and say, me outline the course. And CAF organization. And when referee Reginald Collins Amoah went for the program, Eugene, he was able to pass the fitness test. And Reginald Collins Amoah, so abegina game na results no anko said the opa and say he is a bad referee. He is a referee. He is gaining momentum for himself. And dear I was say House of Folk any obia all the game na chibia say he will be able to perform very well. Said the the beauty of the super class ni yebenya. But as to say letting it off near for Bimradi, I would not buy that idea. Eugene, the aim of the CAF Young Talent Referee say one.
Referee were the 3 matches involving Kotokone has. First, it was a league game. na has a bonny ni home no Kumasi no. Koroko we need 3-2. Second, Koroko home game. And so now Baba Sports Stadium. So Koroko we need 2-1. And then last game of officiating and Gaka top 4. And has Eshe Koroko 2-0. The games involving coach Reginald Collins Amoah and has ne Kotoko no 3. Koroko we need 2, has a winning 1.
Eugene, per the start out there, my and information out there, my a chest said the Kobe Jones kind is irrelevant. The Kobe Jones was saying that as if say, Onjina omu game mu emma results no nko favor. So the me point me jinane say, Reginald Collins Amoah, he is the man to officiate this game.
On say ya yini no.
Nti ye be sere has empanyinfo. They have to confirm with the decision of the FA. Say na ubenya issues involving bribery, issues involving betting scandal, issues involving more practices. Ubetumi aka say indeed, then he doesn't deserve to officiate this game. Eugene, me see the aim of the course ne say 1 to nurture and develop the next generation of elite referees across the continent. The reason why I can't organize the course was say to nurture and develop the next generation of elite referees across the continent. And Oba Ghana hamuno Ghana ye yogo jina ya name Collins Amoah. Into which say he has had a course ya nurture no near developing the next generation of referees in Ghana. You didn't me say the aim is to equip young referees with modern refereeing techniques. Into course now he has been equipped with young referees with modern and refereeing techniques. Into course now I can tell you that he has been well equipped in the modern refereeing techniques. Eugene, almost say the course had an intensive program which was centered on course no. It was very intense, and the intensity of the program was centered on 1, theoretical lessons, practical on-field lessons, fitness assessment, VAR training. Until all these things, they were things that course no koye no. Omukwa chere no. Omukwa chere no theoretical lessons. Nyoma ebua ema referee any football optimi ekonkan. Practical on-field lesson. As a referee, ujida field ne so a, what are some of the lessons I was a calf echna? And 2, fitness assessment. So Mino can say he is the only and the latest referee our calf fitness test our passing. Mino can say he is the last referee our calf program he was trained on VAR. Even though he used to VAR, but this is a referee that has gone to a course. At the course, he was trained on VAR lessons. It's Collins Reginald Amoah. He is the man to officiate the game. Issues now Kobe Jones a reason. It is raised across every football world. In the La Liga, a C. In the EPL, a C. In the Bundesliga, a C. But it is up to the association. They have to stand firm on their decision. Everything they made is because they thought, say, referees, what Ghana has is here, Nipa in recent times, open home money locally and continentally. This Reginald Collins Amoah. I think the association should stand firm on their grounds, send bribery allegations, and more practices be for football. And now I'm going to be for now, Eugene. He is the right man to officiate the job. Your more a mind games. Reginald Collins Amoah, you clean. Every decision has been a but that does not mean say or a bad referee. I have so many times and you are bad referees, but not when they are performing.